Hi friends, welcome to today's session. As part of this session, we will be discussing on advantages of running your BW system on HANA database. As most of you are aware, if you consider 100 SAP systems or 100 SAP BW customers, out of which more than 90 are the existing customers of SAP BW. Mean to say, they might have been using a SAP BW system from very long time. They have invested lot of time, money and effort in building their ETL flow, right? So in that cases, what will happen? They might be using non-HANA database such as DB2, MySQL or any other database. What happens now? Due to advantages of SAP BW on HANA database, what they will do, obviously they will get a recommendation from their architect and they will be migrating the backend database to HANA database from non-HANA database, right? So as part of this video, we will look different advantages of moving your non-HANA database to HANA database, okay? So that what are the different performance aspect which you can observe just by mere migration of backend database to HANA database. So the very first advantage is what we can see is enormous performance increase within analysis and reporting. Just by mere migration of backend database to HANA database, you can observe a lot of improvement in your data execution. Mean to say the data or the BEX report execution will be very faster. If at all earlier it is taking 1 hour or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, now it will be completing in 5 to 10 seconds only. This is the major performance improvement which you gain with respect to reporting and also during the analysis also. In the reporting, if you are trying to add any free characteristics to your default column and all during the dynamic analysis, this particular analysis will be way faster compared to earlier. Okay. The second point is efficient data management due to high compression. Mean to say, with HANA database, just by mere migration of non-HANA database to HANA database, you will observe a lot of compression. Or if the earlier on non-HANA database, if it is taking 10 TB to store your entire database data, now on HANA database it may hardly take around 2 to 3 terabyte because of SAP HANA is so intelligent enough, or the architecture is so intelligent enough, it will do the compression. Okay, so the data compression is very huge and you can save a lot of money in your money which you are paying for the database provider such as Oracle or any other system. So future-proof investment due to the state-of-art technology. Mean to say, HANA is combination of both software and hardware innovation, right? Since your entire data sets in RAM, this particular technology what you are going to invest in is future-proof and it will stay for very long in your landscape. Okay. The fourth point is reduction of internal administration effort during the operation. So since SAP HANA is having its own performance aspect and also lot of compression has been achieved, and also it is having very limited number of objects, not like conventional BW on HANA database. You have limited set of objects, hence the management of the objects or the maintenance of object is very limited, right? Next point is elimination of aggregates. When our old BW system was on non-HANA database, so just to increase the performance of the report, what we are trying to do, we were having redundant data. Means same data which is there in DSO in a detailed format, we are creating a aggregated cube wherein we were having only the required characteristics and necessary key figures, and we were aggregating the data because cube is meant for storing data in aggregated form. So now, and also on top of that, we used to create a aggregates. Now you don't have to do that. If your BW system on HANA database, your BW system is capable to do either detailed level of reporting on top of the ADSO, or else you can also do the aggregated report on top of ADSO. You don't have to duplicate the data by creating redundant object like cubes and all, right? And the last very important point is speed up of data loads in the SAP BW system. So earlier you might have noticed generally our data loads used to happen after business hours, right? So if you are working on a particular client who is doing majority of operation in US time zone, after their working hours, we used to kick off our process chain. And you might have already noticed there are some process steps which are full extraction, there are some which is delta extraction. So, and due to the bottleneck of old SAP BW on non-HANA databases, the data load used to take very longer. We have seen couple of loads which are taking even 5 hours, 10 hours, or some data loads are spanning over days, right? So now BW on HANA, just mere migration of backend database to HANA database, you can observe very good improve in the performance in your data load. Mean to say the data is available for very faster to the reporting. Mean to say our data loads are completing faster, so which makes the data available for the reporting to the end user very faster. Okay, these are the high level advantages of SAP BW on HANA database. So hopefully as part of this video you guys got some idea on why SAP come up with HANA database and what are the advantages of SAP BW system using SAP HANA database as a backend database. Thank you so much friends, and have a good one. If you want me to make a video on a specific topic in the coming days, feel free to write those items in the comment section below. I will be happy to make video on the same. Thank you so much guys, and have a good one.